Don't ruin your shoes!
5-Minute Crafts, how are you gonna show your feet to people? Come on. Okay, we got a chicken.
These heels.
Some silicone. What happened to the heels? Where are they?
What is this action for? I mean,
Metal chicken. Oh no. We're making robot chicken.
no way.
Yeah.
It would be part of the high heels.
It's gonna be part of the high heels? No, it's not.
Can you imagine?
No, it has to be
That
something
would
else.
be sick. I would.
Wear them?
No. I mean, I would.
Nice.
I would love them.
I'm not judging.
No, I'm.
Oh my gosh, I think you're right. Okay, plasticine. Let's see how this actually functions though. Oh no. Oh no.
Wow.
Oh no.
That's
No,
amazing.
Samantha, that doesn't work. Samantha, stop trying to be quirky and cool.
Ugly as hell, but I love him.
It's funny. It's funny. If I saw someone wearing that, I would be like, you have a good
Yeah.
character. All right.
Just wash your feet.
It's like exfoliating or like, massaging.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay,
Maybe.
so they're shaving the
Oh,
dead skin
I
off their
wouldn't
toes.
do that.
Yeah, that looks scary.
Yes, if some wrong movement,
Then
blah.
you're gonna walk funny for a week. All right.
What's wrong with your shoe?
Why would you?
I mean, how come you get
Who did this to you?
Yeah.
And why are you using money?
To fix something, you always need the money.
You always need money.
Yes.
Wow. So it's deep. It's deep and poetic, and it's about the injustice of the world. Thank you, 5-Minute Crafts.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now we know
Now we know.
that you are very deep.
Get all of your. Yeah, not really. I think you know what? I think 5-Minute Crafts is very deep. I think it's advanced humor.
Yes.
I think people just don't understand because you look at 5-Minute Crafts and you're like, oh, this is dumb. Why would they do this?
Maybe it was an idea.
Maybe it was the idea. Maybe it was the idea. Maybe we're the ones who aren't
Which
good idea people.
no,
Not us. No way.
Now my brain is broken.
Okay, so we're taking off the branding because very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Because
We're gonna make better branding.
Yes, but no. They want to make them all.
Yeah.
And epoxy resin, of course. What else they can?
Yeah. The
You
only
have-
other thing that they could do at this moment, feet. They could probably do feet.
Yeah.
If they threw some feet in here,
So.
your fan base would be happy.
And most probably they will do.
That's kind of nice.
That's.
If it would stick properly.
That's.
Ooh.
That's
Oh.
action I really like, but why they did?
Why does it look like crap?
Yeah.
Okay, that was a fail. That was a fail. Come on. Okay.
What do you
let's-
think about it?
I think that you might as well just chop off the pinky toe. That's it.
Yeah.
This one's kind of cool for reshaping if it's too small.
Yes, maybe it's not because of too small. It's because of the shape was,
Yeah, uncomfortable.
not uncomfortable. It was like chewed
Okay. To make it new.
to make it.
That looks
Kinda.
like you're gonna cut off circulation.
Yeah. You're right.
Oh no, my shoe keeps falling off because I keep putting it on really bad.
Tape, just to
Tape your foot
stick it in.
So bad.
But at least you could put on the,
This is reminding me of a
bottom
dream I
part.
had last night for some reason. This is really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
What?
I had a weird dream last night.
Oh.
I think I watched too much 5-Minute Crafts, honestly. Okay.
Wait a minute. She just stepped on the what? On the cake.
Okay. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this?
Because we can. They can.
They have too much power. 5-Minute Crafts has way too much power. They can do whatever they want. They realized it. Oh my gosh. This is like when you find out humans actually have free will. Oh my gosh.
Wow, it looks uncomfortable at least.
This is why in the Matrix and stuff like that, the like dystopian movies are always trying to take away your free will. It's because when we have free will, this is what we do. We make really bad shoes. I'm not saying I agree with
I
it,
get it.
but I'm just saying I understand where they're coming from. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a chewing gum. I mean,
Yeah.
flower.
I would put that in my mouth for sure.
Yeah. Even me.
Yeah?
Sorry.
Wow.
But,
Okay. This is really weird so
wait
far.
a second. Is it gonna be a shoe?
It's a flower shoe.
Oh, damn.
It's a flu. And there's nothing we can do about it.
That's true. That's true. We just can comment about it. We can just be upset about it. But
You can do the same
nothing
thing.
more. Yeah.
You guys, I've seen it.
We
know. We know.
So what's
Okay. UV resin. Okay.
Foil. Okay.
This reminded me of that Smosh bit where they're like, they can't stop saying the same things no matter how hard they try. They keep saying the same thing. So I was just trying to do it. Okay.
Of course, you need to sign up.
Sign up.
So
So
P plus.
Ooh.
So $7.
Okay, never mind. I'm gonna stop playing this game. All right, that looks pretty bad. That is pretty bad. It's like Hawaiian meets like TikTok girl, you know?
Yeah, I wanna say something.
What?
I kind of like it.
You kind of like it?
Yes.
Really?
I mean,
Look at the bottoms. Don't.
Okay, yeah, but still, it could be a little bit better, the front part.
I don't know if I met a girl in that.
But
I'd be
the
like,
flowers and everything, the only thing which I'm worried about is metal things there.
yeah, that would be uncomfortable on your legs for sure. Did she just float?
So wait a second.
Oh, okay. This looks good. Okay, she's not getting any. Oh, we got feet. We got toes. That's a weird. Not to offend, but this interesting foot shape. It's cool.
But it's fine, no?
It's completely
What's wrong?
fine. You can have whatever foot shape you want to have, or
Exactly.
Don't wanna
That's what I want to say.
yes. I like.
This one. So some super glue.
Why would they get rid of the foot shape?
I don't know. I mean, they made it just to
Just
cut
to make
it.
the around bit. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's a flip flop.
With staples, huh? That's good. That's gonna stay.
Yeah, this far. It will be forever.
Staples stay forever. Everyone knows that. Glitter. Okay, this is just really weird now. Why?
Really, Dallas, why are they doing this? This is very, very, very weird. And this is now an ASMR video. What's wrong with the feet? I don't know. They look like they're from other planets. Yes, and they cover it. I mean, the flip ropes.
All right. So we have paint. We have we're making a wooden clog now,
Yeah.
or like a wooden heel maybe.
Sorry for our previous conversation.
Yeah,
which
sorry
you
about
couldn't hear.
You probably couldn't hear. I think they could. We'll see. You'll see. Let us know if you heard what we said. Okay.
What?
We're both acting like we know what the hell is going on.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Why? No, really, why? I mean,
I want to see him walk in it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
for
Okay.
sure they can.
Okay, Gibson.
Gibson. Okay.
Who it could be. Okay, let's see.
Paul.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, we got just the toes. Okay, that's
It's gonna look
Freaky.
Freaky, yeah. That's wow. I mean, it looks so natural, and the
Yeah.
fact that it's half of them. I mean, less than half.
it's bad. It's bad.
Yeah. That's great.
Nightmare fuel.
Oh, I like the cutting.
Yes, clay is good. Have you ever done the clay pot shaping?
No, but
wanna-
I would love to.
Yes, I think we should just do one in it. Let us do it in a video. Like, leave 50,000 likes on this post right now, and we'll make a video about clay pot making.
Yeah.
But we'll make it
interesting
interesting though, yeah.
We came up with something. So let us know.
Let us have fun. At least once.
Please.
Okay.
I didn't get it.
I don't know.
Just covered everything.
Yeah.
I mean, for what reason?
I really don't understand why. it looks like it's making it look more real, maybe?
But how? How if they were real? If it was almost perfect?
Is it
copy?
weird that if those toes were made of chocolate, I would eat them? Anyway. So now we have a cover and we
Let him know in the comments. Would it be weird?
Is it weird? I don't know. I feel like you do it too. Josh.
Who is Josh?
I don't know. One guy named Josh is watching this and he's like freaking out.
This dude?
Yeah, that dude.
What's up?
What's up, Josh?
But yeah, don't do what you usually do.
Spray paint. All right, so now they're gold. Less edible than before. What are they making though? Do you know?
Yes, it was a high heels,
Ah.
and they put it on the.
With really weird nails as well. That's scary.
That's.
Oh.
Did you get it?
No, yeah, it's very dark. It's hard to see. Wow. That's ugly. At least you can use it as a back scratcher. Like.
I guess so.
Ooh, we got
Or you can clump it with it.
Yeah. Or if you really don't like someone, you can be like.
Yeah.
Makes family dinners, a little aggressive. All right.
If you don't like someone.
Yeah, like
doesn't
when
mean
a husband says something wrong and his wife just like gives him a kick under the thing, then he really knows not to make that mistake again. But anyway, don't do that.
Don't do that. I mean, yeah.
This is interesting.
It reminds me of the old-fashioned phone,
Yeah. Also, like when I was a kid, I think like especially the girls in the class would have those little bracelets that looked like that. Ah, beautiful. It's okay.
Nice.
Ah, and now we have a tire.
Tire shoe.
I never get tired of these. All right, give us more
More reactions,
right now.
please.
Please.